I was just cutting up the chicken in 1-inch pieces. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut up the rest of the veggies, the red peppers, the onions, and everything. I've had the Instant Pot set on saute function, and now that it's reading hot, I'm going to go ahead and add in some olive oil, and then I'll add in the chicken, the bell pepper, onion, mushrooms if you're using mushrooms, the garlic powder, sea salt, and black pepper. And you just want to stir it up really well so the chicken browns on all the sides and the onions become translucent. Once your chicken is browned on all the sides, you're going to take your spaghetti and break it into threes and place it into the Instant Pot, and then pour over your chicken broth or chicken stock. You want to set this on high pressure for 6 minutes, and then you'll do a quick release, and after the quick release, then you will add in your sour cream, stir that in really good, and let it sit for about 5 minutes before serving. I did feel like it needed to be a little creamier, so I added in about 4 ounces of cream cheese, and then I put the lid back on it and let it sit for about 5 minutes.
Yes, you can. Kitchen Mama.